melt and flood the land. We gotta make a stand, listen to our demand. We have the world in our hands.
Hi, my name is Just Jamaal ThePoet, and I am a mask artist. As programs through Mask, I offer songwriting workshops and spoken word poetry workshops that help to elevate and enhance the voice and the true experiences of students.
Let it carry you into tomorrow.
And fill you up with hope.
And make you shine like the sparkle in your eye.
Let's make a bridge.
What drives my passion for arts education is the feeling of community. Oftentimes I find the bonds are stronger after a workshop is delivered and classes and students find better ways to communicate amongst themselves.
I took her outside and I yelled, "Surprise! You should have seen the look in her eyes. She gave me the biggest missing front tooth smile about a mile wide. It's a feeling that can't be compared to none."
I love most when the students share their work and find confidence in their voice.
But it made me think, is my identity a threat to your reality? Why should I be ashamed of who I am because you're scared? No, this is a story to be shared.
It's important for me to share spoken word poetry and songwriting because so much emotion goes into writing poetry and songwriting, and I want people to understand how the power of using their emotions can change their lives.